cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut chrome delete kit, but what you might not know is that Bogart Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogartechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this Mercedes-Benz GLS, and we're going to do the front panel chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So this is how the grille looks before doing the installation. And this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material in order to black out the panel. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the front panel. So we're going to need slip solution. Slip solution contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're able to remove all the contaminants with just the slip solution, you should be good. However, if you still have any contaminants, to see any wax, oils, grease, or any coating, you can use Tag solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. And if you're going to use both solutions, make sure to have a clean microfiber towel and spray both solutions onto the towel. And then once you're done with the prep, make sure that everything's completely dry. That way the adhesive on the film is able to tack down to the panel. Okay, so once you finish with the prep, now we can start with the installation. So since both of them are basically the same, the steps that we do for the top piece, you will repeat it for the bottom. Okay, so once you have your film, just place it down and start by aligning it on this section here. So align it there, make sure the chrome's being covered, top and bottom. And then lift it carefully. Try not to pull the film, because if you do pull, it may stretch. And then just use the top section here as a guide to align the rest of the film. So if you need to adjust it, just lift it carefully. And don't forget about the bottom section here. And if you see that you have small little fingers that are coming up, you can always just lift the film and reapply it. That way you avoid having these fingers. Okay, and then around this section here, there will be a small little finger. So just help the finger separate and split it. That way you cover the chrome and it doesn't create any fingers. Okay, and then this excess material here, you could just wrap it around, and that way it covers the chrome on the inside of the panel right here. So once you place the film, go ahead and grab your squeegee, remove all of the air bubbles that are trapped all around the film. Remember to help it tuck in on this section here and this one here. And then to help relieve the tension and help the film tack down underneath here, we're going to need to apply heat. That way we help it sit. And then the same steps that were done here, like I mentioned, you would do it here. You can use a heat gun or a hairdryer, apply heat. You will need to apply a good amount of heat, that way the tension loosens on the film. And then with your finger, just help it tack down slowly. You're gonna just repeat this process here throughout each one here. So once you finish with the installation, the last thing to do would be to post heat everything. So just use your heat device. You can use a heat gun or hairdryer, use the lowest setting, and apply heat evenly throughout the entire panel. That way we help that adhesive activate faster, and also if there's any edges still lifting, we help it tack down with heat. So take your time doing this step, and then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the front chrome delete installation for the Mercedes-Benz GLS. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. And also don't forget to check out our other kits for the GLS. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.